Hello and welcome to Logic with Aaliyah. Today we're going to talk about biconditional tables. We're going to set this up like the other operators with A only when B. How many different letters do we have? 2. What is 2 squared? 4. So we're going to have 4 rows and 2 columns. Our first column is going to be A and our second column is going to be B. We're going to split column A in half with the first 2 being true and the second 2 being false. We're going to split column B into fourths. It's going to look like true, false, true, false. And then we're going to write our last column, A only when B. For the biconditional, we're going to look for when A and B have the same truth value, and that is in rows 1 and 4. In row 1, both A and B are true, so they are logically equivalent to one another. And in row 4, A and B are both false, so they are again logically equivalent to one another. In the other 2 rows, A and B are not equivalent. One is true while the other is false. So we are going to put false in our A only when B column for those 2 rows. And that is exactly how the biconditional works in tables. We want to look for rows in which they have the same truth value to put our trues, and rows where they have different truth values to put our false.